Hello there and welcome back to the Working Actor Pro Studio. Today we are tackling something that all actors need to do, but few know how. I recently had a meeting with a rep not too long ago, and as I sat down in his office, he starts to play my reel right in front of me. Thought that was a little weird, but I'm glad that he did. So as this manager was watching my reel, he was listening, commentating, I started to watch like he was. I realized that 3 minutes lasted like 10. There was so much dead energy and a lot of unnecessary content taking up precious seconds in that progress bar. Because I was with a rep, I was looking at my reel as a rep. And thank God, because I saw so many things I wanted to change. So it could be more engaging, more powerful, yielding me greater results. Reels are an animal that you have to understand in order for it to work with you, not against you. And it's so easy for it to work against you. I mean, I don't even want to think about how many auditions I've missed out due to a reel that could have been easily polished and improved. Maybe it's a scene that could have been more powerful if it were shortened. Or maybe I chose a clip that just didn't have enough of me in it because I was so fixated on making sure that a famous person made an appearance on my reel. There are ways to make the reel work for you by implementing just a few film editing techniques. You do not have to be a filmmaker to do this, I promise you. So today I'm going to fish through my clips and show you what works, what doesn't, and why. All right, I have my Chicago PD scene, and I just want to take you through how I'm going to cut it, okay? Because there's a few things that you really do need to know.
Linsky, where are your non-suit reports?
At the time, going up.
Well, make time.
Hey, look at Ruzick. Oh, Gutierrez, you still carrying Maloney on your back? Hey, I'm used to it by now. Of yours. Yeah. How are you, buddy? Good to see you.
That was ad-libbed. That's another thing, like, you know, people who greet each other, there was no, hey man, good to see you, like how normal people do. So you know what? I did it, and they kept it.
I know. How is it here, man? We're hoping after graduation, this is our spot. Yeah, I don't know how it is for the patrolmen here. I mean, I skipped that part.
Yeah, so we heard.
Yeah, put in your time, boys. That's my advice. And maybe you too can join us upstairs, right?
You know what? That is good advice. Look,
Duty calls.
Okay, so people think, what's the story? Oh, it's about these two cops who are here now and, you know, hanging out with their old buddy, whatever. That's not the story. The story is Ruzick getting a little confident. So it's not about me, okay? But how do we highlight me, essentially? Okay, so here's the deal. I've got this first line. Now, in my original reel 3 years ago, I included everything. The entrance, all the people, and then there's me because I wanted to, like, show, oh, man, this is a really cool scene with a lot of people. We know this guy. This is Casey from the Ninja Turtles, for God's sake. Well, nobody cares about that, okay? And I don't know how many auditions I lost because of all this crap. So here we go. We're going to cut. That's me, but I don't care about that line because I'm not really, like, in it, and you can't even see who it is. So it's an extra second or two that we don't need. Here's where it starts. Not back here, right here. We establish it with a prominent face right when we take the shot. Boom. Because he goes into Gutierrez. Let's cut that. Right, left click, right click, split clip. Now, that's out. That's out. That's out. Here we go. Now, all this bullshit with the glasses, we don't need.
Gutierrez, you still carrying Maloney on your back? Hey,
I'm used to it by now. Yours. Hey, how are you, buddy? Good to see you, too.
Boom. Cut it. I don't care about this stuff.
Sweet shades, Ruzick.
Sweet shades. Waste of time. Now we get into it, okay? That was a couple of seconds. We don't need it. I'm going to split. Get this out of here. I'm going to split the detach audio just because I don't know if I need to place audio or not.
Hey, buddy, good to see you. Too. How is it here, man? We're hoping after graduation, this is our spot.
Just because I'm crazy and a filmmaker, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this way.
How is it here, man?
I'm going to take this here. Good. Okay, so.
How are you, buddy? Good to see you. How is it here, man?
See, I've got a couple of jumps here. Let's see. See, there's a cut there. That's not going to look good. I want to take this out. We're on a new shot. So that's where I want it. I'm going to zoom in. I've already placed it. Right click. No? Okay. Well, you know what we can do? Drag it.
So I brought my partner's dialogue and pasted it when we went to Ruzick.
How is it here, man? We're hoping after graduation.
Yep.
How is it here, man?
Yeah, we jump right in, right?
How is it here, man? We're hoping after graduation, this is our spot. Yeah, I don't know how it is for the patrolmen.
Skip that part. Yeah, so we heard.
None of this matters. I don't need this.
Skip that part.
Yeah, so we heard.
It's not about me, and it doesn't show me, so why would I... Then he comes up. All right, so none of that stuff matters, and especially because I've got other stuff as a reel, so I don't need this long thing. Yeah, and we'll cut this right here. Get that out. So boom, there you go. So that's my updated version of this scene.
Gutierrez, you still carrying Maloney on your back? Hey, I'm used to it by now.
Off yours.
Yeah.
How are you, buddy? Good to see you.
How is it here, man? We're hoping after graduation, this is our spot.
We'll go more into depth in the course, breakdowns, budgets, contract templates, and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more acting tips by real working actors.